Meaning of fiddly.
fiddly,
Fiddly.
fiddly,
Fiddly. Fiddly is an adjective that describes something as being awkward, difficult, or complicated to handle or manipulate due to its small size, intricate design, or lack of accessibility. It often refers to tasks that require precise dexterity or detailed attention, such as assembling tiny pieces of a puzzle or fixing a delicate mechanism. The term can also imply a sense of frustration or irritation due to the difficulty involved. Overall, fiddly connotes a sense of finickiness and hassle that can be time-consuming and challenging.